Do you want to enable your location on Twitter for iPhone so that you can get more local content like this? I can show you how. Coming up. Open the Twitter app and compose a tweet. Tap the location icon. When you tap the location icon for the first time, you'll see this message. To enable the location, tap OK. To disable it, tap Not Now. Once you tap OK, select your location from a list of available locations around you. If you can't find the one you want, search for it. Then tap Done. If you want to change the location, just tap the location icon again. You can't disable the location in this way. Keep watching, and I'll show you how to disable your location a little bit later. You can see that a location has appeared beneath this tweet. Continue typing normally. When you're finished, tap Tweet. Depending on how you enabled your location, you may not see the location posted in the main Twitter feed. But if you go to your profile page and scroll to your most recent tweet, you will notice the location is visible. There's my most recent tweet, and as you can see, you still can't see a location, but if you tap on the tweet, you will see that the location is visible. To turn on your location manually, tap Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, scroll down and find Location. Tap where it says Disabled, and then turn the switch on. From this point on, your location will appear in all of your tweets once you set it. Compose a tweet. The first time you do this, you'll need to set a location by tapping on the location icon as before. The location has been added to all of my tweets. This time, when I post this tweet, the location will be visible. If you open the tweet, you can see that the name of your Twitter client is listed. To turn off your location, tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find Location. Tap Enabled and turn the switch off. Your location will no longer be shared.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Please feel free to check out some of my other videos suggested on screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.